Hello everyone. In past videos, I tried to show how to make SQL operations such as selecting or inserting data. I want to show how to do that in real applications. I created this repository. You can find the link of this repository in the description below. In this repository, there are two applications. One of them is basic front-end application and other is .NET Web API application. I created basic setup to make SQL operations. In this video, I want to introduce these two applications. Okay, you can clone this repository using this link, and you can download zip. Firstly, and I want to start with client. I'm gonna open with Visual Studio Code. In terminal, firstly we need to install node packages. Let's run it. This is running on localhost 3000. This gives an error because we didn't run backend application. In server, there is a solution. I'm gonna hit the run. Okay, there's a couple methods in my API, and let's run the client. Okay, there is main page, list page, and this is the library inventory. These are book infos, book name, book author, book published in, and book language. And we can remove with this, and we can edit with this. It changed, and we can add new book. And we can see the new book. I want to show you backend. In this backend application, there is one controller, inventory controller. And we can see on Swagger, there is 5 methods in my web API. And this will hit here. Let's see. I'm gonna refresh the page. And it hit the breakpoint. And I'm returning the books in my web API, which I hard-coded in this controller. Let's remove the breakpoint and continue. We can see the all books from my backend. Let's edit. Firstly, we are fetching data from web API, and I can find the book which has ID 3 at this is, and continue it. We can see Crime and Punishment Dostoevsky book, and I can change the data. This goes to update method in here. I'm gonna hit save, and the ID was 3 and book published in is changed. And I'm gonna remove the third book and add the list with same ID. Yes, published in changed, and I want to remove a book. I am removing with this method. Let's remove the 8 record, and ID is 8. Okay, I'm deleting from the list this list, and it refreshed. 8 record is gone, and the last one, adding book. I want to add new book. I'm gonna hit save. Book info is here, and I'm gonna give the ID of the maximum ID plus 1, which is 8. I'm gonna add this book. I'm gonna add again. This time it gives me 9 for ID. This is basically my setup in GitHub repository, and I'm gonna update, and that's it. Thanks for watching.